Philippine Orchids Garden USA here. I'm at Lowe's and I'm doing some plant shopping and whatever sale that I can find. So this is Lowe's parking lot right here. This is one of my favorite places to buy my plants. They have all kinds of plants in here, and every Saturday or almost every day they have plants for sale. Oh, by the way guys, they're hiring. If you want to go to Lowe's and you want to apply for a job, they're hiring. So anyway, this is the parking lot and I'm just showing it to you. And that one is the main road right there. You can see the traffic, and there are lots and lots of trees in here. Trees are important in Washington State. They plant trees everywhere. Everywhere that the tree can grow and that it's allowed. So that is Lowe's here in Washington State. So I'm gonna show you what I bought. Okay, I'm still at the parking lot, but I want to show it to you before I put it inside the car. Okay, I'm gonna show you the plants that I bought right here. So I got a bunch of primrose. They're on sale right now for $1 each, and I bought a bunch of them. And so these are the one that's on sale for $1 each right here. Primrose. They're so pretty. So I got a whole bunch of different colors. They used to be $1.98, but now we're $1 each. And I have some eggplants right here, and I have some bell pepper right here. I have some pansies, and I have this lettuce that it looks really good, so I bought it right here. It's a lettuce, romaine lettuce, I believe, different color. And these dirt right here are on sale. They were like half price because the bags are torn. See, it's torn right there. That's why they're on sale. And I have a whole bunch of primrose right there. These are my orchids, sphagnum moss. These are my orchids sphagnum moss because I ran out of media. So I'm repotting all my orchids into sphagnum moss right now until the millipedes are cleaned up. Because when I got back from the Philippines, they were loaded with millipedes. And some of them, actually, I think I lost about 10 orchids because of that. So this is a temporary media for my orchids right now. And I'm going to replace it again after this summer. And then I've got a whole bunch of daisy right here. A whole bunch of them. They're on sale for $7 a piece. They used to be 10. They used to be, how much was it? Oh, that used to be $10, but they're $7 a piece. And I bought probably about 6 of them. I dropped this one here. And so I've got the orchids. Okay, here's some of the daisies that I bought. The Gerbera daisy. These are perennial for me here, part of the Washington State. They're perennial, so it comes back every year. But I keep buying them also. There, see, it's really pretty. And these are $7. It used to be $11 a piece. And that's what I have right here so far. Then I got all these free flower pot. They're free at Lowe's only. You can get that for free. And here's the orchids that I bought right here. This is really beautiful. I'm gonna tell you how much it cost me. It is $31 or $32 plus tax. And it's beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful. The reason that they're more expensive is because there are 3 orchids in one flower pot. That's why they're $31.98 a piece. And if you buy this individually, they're $24 a piece if you buy it individually. But since it's all in one pot, they sell it for $31.98. So that is a good deal. Really, really good deal for orchids lovers. So look at that. It is so gorgeous.